In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch the Wix Editor Suite in Chrome and open a custom sign-in or sign-up page from the Pages and Menu panel. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're already on your Wix site, dashboard, or inside your Wix project workspace. From there, launch the Wix Editor Suite so you can access the full editing environment. Give the editor a moment to load completely, since some interface tools may take a few seconds to appear depending on your connection speed and the complexity of the site. Once the editor is fully open, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where Wix keeps many of the main site management tools, including layout controls, design settings, and page navigation options. In this panel, click the Pages and Menu icon. This is the section that lets you view and manage the different pages connected to your website, as well as any special page groups that Wix provides for member or account-related experiences. After opening that panel, look toward the lower area of the available page options. You'll need to find the Sign In and Sign Up Pages section. This area is typically grouped separately from your standard site pages because it relates to member access and account entry points. Open that section from the drop-down or structural menu area so you can see the page choices available there. Next, choose the custom page option. This allows you to work with a customized version of the sign-in or sign-up experience instead of relying only on the default structure. Selecting this option is useful when you want more control over how that page appears or behaves within your site's overall design. If you don't immediately see the option you need, take a moment to carefully scan the lower part of the panel and make sure the section is expanded. In Wix, some menu groups stay collapsed until you click them, so it helps to move slowly and confirm you're in the correct category before selecting anything. At this point, you should have successfully launched the Wix editor in Chrome, opened the Pages and Menu panel, accessed the Sign In and Sign Up Pages section, and selected Custom Page. From here, you'll be ready to continue editing that page inside the Wix editor environment.